The Sukuk bond, does it pay back for the lifetime? If not, do you get back your money after the period, just like the bonds, treasury bonds? Now, the Sukuk bond, so far the information we have, it's going to be a 10-year Sukuk certificate. 10 years means you'll be getting rentals for 10 years. After 10 years, they'll give you back your principal, which is the same fundamental element like the treasury bonds. Another fundamental element like treasury bonds is indicatively we know the rentals will be computed at a return of 13% per annum for the Sukuk bond. Indicatively, it's not yet final. I have not yet seen the final prospectus, but they said for the UGX investors, it will be 13% per year, paid periodically as rentals to the investors. Minimum investment is 1 million UGX. Remember, for treasury bonds, the minimum investment is 100,000. But for Sukuk, it's going to be 1 million. One fundamental thing to know, it's tax exempt. So for all the 10 years you're going to be there, because the Sukuk bond is considered an infrastructure bond, automatically you're not going to pay tax for those 10 years on all your total rentals or income you make on that investment. It's not the same like someone buying a 10-year bond where they pay 10% withholding tax on that bond. So there's going to be to make that decision. But also that decision becomes extremely important to see where do you make the money. Now, indicatively, they have said 13%, but that's in the draft prospectus that it was private, that had a privy to look at. I do not know what's going to be the final rental yield. But you have to sometimes also sit down and say, but yes, to answer your question, yes, after 10 years, they'll give you back your investment. At that point, I do not think the SGR will be operational potentially, but maybe they would have even issued other Sukuk bonds that we might fund other parts of SGR or that might fund other projects. One good thing is, which we are seeing, is that the investment landscape in Uganda is getting better and better and better. And we are welcoming the introduction of the Sukuk bond. And I would want also to sit down with maybe Muslims and have this conversation, because previously the standard treasury bonds have been locking you out. The normal treasury bonds have been designed so much with the riba, which is not Sharia compliant. Now, this financing is so much centered around Islamic financing. It's tax exempt. That even a Muslim who has been looking where to invest and they didn't want to break the Islamic rules, now all of a sudden the Sukuk bond is the best out there. So my brothers and sisters, the Islamic people, the Muslim people, this is the opportunity for also to enter into the capital markets in a way that helps you to diversify your products. I know many of my Muslim clients who have been so much investing in equities without investing in unit trusts or investing in treasury bonds because of the riba. Now, all of a sudden, this has been designed with Islamic financing elements and framework. So, and it's going to finance a project that is fundamental to the development of this country, Uganda. So the Sukuk bond or the Sukuk sovereign is coming. It's here. We are excited. Less than 2 months to go, less than a month to go. 1 million, it's all you need to start investing, and incrementals of 1 million. It will be listed on the Uganda Securities Exchange. You can invest in the dollar or euro or UGX. For the people in the diaspora, if you do not want to have exposure in UGX, you can buy them in the dollar, which will be listed. It's going to be foreign denominated. It's guaranteed. There is insurance that they have got that is going to cover in case the company cannot pay or meet its rentals. There is a lease contract. It's going to be supervised. There is a board they are going to appoint. Everything is being done to make sure this is a viable investment. It excites me because we know these are the things we need in this country to go forward. These are the things we need to go forward.